Welcome! In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 3, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. Scroll all the way down to System and select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes things like music, photos, and user data, which I would consider to be the most important things that you might want to back up. Now, if you have created a backup, or maybe you just don't want to back up anything, you can select Erase All Data, and then Erase All Data once more. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take up to like 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.